Hello guys, Burgeonn here. Customizing your Nintendo Switch can be a fun way to make it uniquely yours. Here are some popular ways to customize your Switch. You can change the look of your Joy-Con controllers by swapping out the default shells for custom ones. Many companies offer a variety of colors, patterns, and even special designs inspired by popular games. This is a great way to personalize your console and make it stand out. Second is by custom skins and decals. There are many third-party skins and decals available that can give your Switch a fresh look. These can range from simple solid colors to intricate designs featuring your favorite characters or themes. Applying a skin is usually a straightforward process and can protect your Switch from scratches as well. Third is by home screen customization. While the Switch's UI is minimalist, you can still add a personal touch. You can change the background color to either white or black and organize your games by playtime, title, or publisher. This helps create a more personalized experience when navigating your console. Fourth is by special editions and limited releases. Nintendo occasionally releases special edition consoles with unique designs and colors. These limited releases can be a great way to get a custom look without having to modify your console yourself. Customizing your Nintendo Switch can be a rewarding project that lets you express your personality and style. Whether you prefer simple changes like skins and decals or more involved mods, there are plenty of options to make your Switch truly unique. Thanks for watching.